no? Nice one.
Guys,
Wanda, Megatrix
parang napapansin ko na kailangan kong
We
mag-focus.
instructors
Kasi
do more than just teach.
Ay, hindi na ta.
Insist.
Mag-kick, makikita ka lang dyan.
Ay, clear siya game nga, be.
Oo. Wait lang.
Leia.
Dito.
Nag-basic attack na yung minion sa bot.
Ay,
Kung kinuha na yung high hand guys, nakalive po.
With your game guys, spam focus. Magpo-focus muna.
Engaging stealth.
Baby nito rin. Ano? May nagunti na part.
I never.
Sa meeting sila, yung TV yata gawing bot.
Ang una! Hay!
Come.
Ate! Viral sa meal.
Viral to do.
Diba, bigyan mo ng pop yung F mo Philippine naman.
I can already tell.
Ala. Hindi to Pedrin na. Wala Bea. Last time nasa meeting yun eh. RBM ano million? Parsa. Nasa RBM.
Dahil nasa likod ako, kanay kasi
Wala Parsa.
kanay kasi kanay kasi
Okay na kasi ko. Okay. Papapanay ko ito itong Parsa, be.
kanay kasi
Engaging stealth.
Oh,
sorry, nabugaw. Nabugaw siya. Sorry, te. Wait lang, pa-item muna ka, mama. Grabe mo.
okay na.
Feeling ko, papunta na dito yung mga mama ko.
Sige,
Kasi ang versable. Parsa.
Distance is just
Parsa lang ang versable.
beyond.
Final release, no?
Ay, grabe. Ay, po ata yung
ano?
Bea, mama. Ay, hindi, naka-root. Kamali.
Will not the
Hindi. Pinis ko yun. Oo, kasi magpa-proc ko yun.
Bench ka dito.
Thank you so much. Wala tayong magagawa.
knowing
Wala
when
tayo.
to retreat is an important skill to learn.
Emi, kaya na na.
Well, ingat. Nice one.
Pabigyan ako ng
Not nice. Bro. Nice one, team.
Yan.
Dayas!
Lord of
Ay, draw.
Okay, guys. Ang wish ko ngayon ay sana magkaroon kami ng kalabang pala.
Yeah,
Specifically, yung mga,
mga taga-ito.
May malalaki sila ba? Actually, alam mo ba, malalaki sila.
Lalang pa kaya ako. Malalaki ako na.
Malalaki sila. Nagulat kami noon, actually, guys. Ang akala namin, TLPH versus Aurora ang maglalaban sa final. Pero grabe na swift nung Indonesia, yung dalawang team, which is SRG and nung final.
Nakatingin na ka na.
Diba?
Tama.
Which is, diba?
Diba? Grabe na ninyo. Emerald, no?
Never time ko, ano nga Ralph Rubin? Eto may need ka. Tubig-tubig kayo sa
Pwede ba?
Ito Maynila.
Ay, grabe!
Ma? Ma?
Hello.
Ko lang kayo, ma. May
Mama.
pala siya. It's giving Maynila X Meralco, trauma.
Ano na kasi ata kasi papansin.
Grabe, wala na akong balita sa inyo actually. Like, kamusta na pala kayo, girl?
Actually ako ito, like,
Yun lang. Diba?
Kamusta kayo, girl? Girl!
Diba?
Yun lang.
Nothing to.
Diba? Uy, grabe ito magbeya!
Engaging stealth.
Nat? Man, nakakausap mo
Students
ba
of
si
Summer
Tien?
Academy.
Hello!
Ayan.
Hello!
Ayun.
Ang ito yung
Nakangiti oh! Wait nga, check ko kung nag-reply na yung... Hindi meron, no? Joke lang!
Oh my God. Pwesto natin.
Alam mo si Silver ako!
There's no time to
Okay lang yan at diba? Papanood din.
Diba?
Ang ito
Actually, dapat pala nag-i-English ako kasi baka nanonood si Narosa.
Diba?
Diba? Hello everyone! Okay guys, from now on, please bear with me, mag-i-English tayo kasi baka nanonood yung mga international friends natin. Hello guys, we were taking the Lord. Nice, nice. Hold up. Yes, are you there? Let me just kill this
Can you
one.
go
Hold
here?
up.
Can you go here?
Can you go here?
Yanzi, please come here.
Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's conceal. Let's conceal.
I think you're in top
Yes.
Let's go eat.
Okay, I'm with the Lord. Oh, I'm with the Lord. Let me just rub your hair. Let me just... Yanzi,
Oh my God.
Going on. Ay, may challenge tayo.
Ano challenge natin?
English language only challenge.
Okay, go. English only.
Dapat English.
Okay. Okay, guys. Sa mga viewer... Hindi, dapat yun.
Yes.
So you guys stay with us. Yes, because when I'm at India, I feel so like just because I don't speak in English that much. So from now on,
Okay.
Yes.
Here.
yes.
Yes.
Right? So, okay.
I want to go. Oh my God.
There's a part of CM.
Nice one. Nice.
Okay, go.
I'm not prepared.
Nice
Me
one.
too, guys.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys.
As also, we're not prepared to English.
Yes.
Tama, English. Sorry. English only, right? Guys, did you guys know that M8 will
Never surrender.
Hello? Yung ano, okay, so as I was saying, guys, M8 will eventually...
Help me, wait.
No. Wait, hold up. I can speak my words. Hold up.
Let's focus first because
Yeah, I
we have
think we should
we
focus
were
first.
going to have a lot of fight. So sorry it's low
Yeah.
HP. So we are going to do that. Yeah.
Nice. I think also
Parta has Let's go. I have concealer.
let me grab that base here.
Engaging stealth.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Let's go this
Let's
round.
go. Can you guys can you put the camera on me?
Alright.
Okay.
I flicker, and also the rose gold proc from
Girl,
Vega.
what is that?
Nice
I
one.
think let me just press this Bea for you, Yancy.
Okay.
I think
The
I'm
camera is
lagging.
on.
Let your
I
body
think I'm
Okay,
lagging.
Oh. Really good.
Hold up.
That's something.
wait.
That's
Let's focus.
Let's focus. Hold up.
Okay. Vega is here.
Okay.
You guys can find the proc.
Nice.
Vega.
It's okay.
It's okay. Nice catch.
Okay guys, this one focus.
Okay, let's
Let's kill this love.
No, let's the first.
Yes.
Where's the Lord?
Oh my god.
Huwag na, tayo na lang mag-spawn yun, no? Ay, the Lord is in spawn. Okay, let's go. Can you guys please?
Yeah,
Definitely.
definitely I can burst it. You guys
Oh,
should
there's a
go on mid. I will burst this
not
one.
let the will of
Oh, I will be a helping hand.
Thank you so much for helping me.
Yes, that's no problem.
I think left. Hold up. That
Okay,
Madrid is getting into my nerves.
let's go into strategize this first.
Alright.
Probably the Bea is in top and there's 3 in bot side. So, do you have guys any suggestion?
I think we should go first.
Yes.
IBM.
From the front.
Possible, the Parsa is in back here.
Yes.
We should burst
Like-
the one who's front. Like
I'm Parsa.
nice.
Yeah.
OMG, the best damage is like super exaggerating.
We can show we can segue the bot side.
Yeah, I will. We will.
That's so true.
I agree on whatever you said.
Okay. What? Pardon?
Dine-in or take out?
I prefer freaking.
Oh.
Okay.
Let me just
Giant strip.
Oh my god, LOL.
OMG, the top lane.
It's the girl.
Is
LOL.
this Tagalog?
Okay.
myself.
Seconds, the Lord will spawn. So, do we have to poke them first, or let's just burst the Lord?
Yes, of course.
We should.
The Lord
We should poke
Okay.
whoever who front is.
Or
But I
3.
guess
Let's
in
run
that
away.
position of yours.
Oh, they saw me! They saw me!
Girl, those do is not worth it. Bye.
Oh, how?
3,
How?
2.
They saw me!
Huh?
They saw me!
It's okay.
It's okay. I think we
It's
should
okay.
focus on the front side.
Yeah.
Near,
Yeah.
near the
Yung
side.
guys, commit ka with the class. Sabi nga,
We should focus on.
yeah, para sa ulti, dyan, ang ready yung ultimate. Guys, the timer is so long it's 60 seconds.
Oh my god, the
I
Lord will
guess
fall.
I gotta go. Okay,
Akala
let me
ko
just
ako-
pull the God mode on. Hold up.
Guys, the timer is so alarming, so you should guys careful.
Yes,
It's okay.
Copy, copy.
LOL.
Where's the ball? Bea, Farsa. That's all. Thank you.
Bea has
Let your
emo,
body
but I
and
don't know if
mind become
Okay. Copy
Guys,
that.
for those
Yes.
who are asking why we speak English, is because they said Tianzi is watching and Rosa is watching as well.
yeah. So the friendly
We don't want
Oh, give
Ale.
them a hard time.
yes to
time it up.
Yes.
Okay, heads up girls, that the timer is very alarming, so we should God mode on.
yeah, God mode. Yeah.
Alas, most probably oh, parts of leaker.
Farsa Seeker.
Yes. They're in bot. I can jump the ball. Nice one. Let's go. The CC.
The CC.
The CC.
The Eudora stop the match. What should we do?
A. I'm sad.
B.
Okay, let's
Let's kill this
clear the
stuff.
wave first. Yeah. Let's clear the wave first, and then we will wait for Lord, or it's either to push the tower.
Yes,
Help, Fanny. Will
I agree whatever you said.
Okay, thank you so much. Careful, let the timer.
Careful.
Oh no.
It's okay.
Alright.
Let me just pull her hair. Am I?
OMG. They saw us. They saw us.
OMG, everyone is commenting
Let's go,
discipline.
let's-
We should.
Yeah.
discipline and
We
so
should
forth.
have an
Alright,
This is
guys.
just a
Let me
number.
just hold up.
No target is
I'm
beyond.
gonna hold you. Let's go. I don't know where they are, but most probably they're in blue side. Saudi Bear is not here, so careful for your position. Parka is missing. I killed Parsa. Missing is missing. They're here. Nice one. Kenny. Oh, Kenny. Missing is missing. Come here. Nice one, Neon. Choke the bot.
Naya!
Thank you so much.
That was so
Sagad to ka.
clean. That was so clean, girls.
Yes, nice one, girl.
That was so clean, girl.
Di ganyan yung call mo kanina nung nag-class. Oh, nice one.
Naya's team.
That
I
was
think
a
we
good
should
match.
stop. I think TNZ and Rosa is not here anymore. So let us focus on our Filipino viewers.
Why?
Grabe. Nice. Guys, alam nyo ba? 5-5 ang score natin kanina. Grabe. Guys,
Diba,
for
be?
context, guys, Ay, nawala si Sauri. Ay, nag-left the match ata talaga siya.
Oo, ano siya, anong tawag?
Nauga?
Nag-DC. Na-DC siya.
Na-meral ko.
Diba? Siningil ng meral.
Nasingil ng meral ko. Hi everyone! Thank you po sa mga nagla-like. Hanggang mamaya pa tayo dito guys. So please, keep liking. Thank you so much. Nakabili ka na gaming chair. Gayas.
Kailangan ngiti ha.
Gayas. Na-sponsoran tayo, gayas. Kita niyo to, yung gaming chair logo sa baba. Ayan yon. Thank you so much! Ah! Grabe, gayas. Ang saya ko. Tapos sobrang comfy pa nitong nabili ko at lambot. Kala nyo? Sige, out na ako.
Ano name niya sa TikTok?
Dapat
Si Hayan, guys. Hayan.
Oo nga pala guys, naka-live pala. Ay! Girls, OMG TNZ is here. We should speak in English, everyone. Ah! Hold up. Is this really TNZ? Hold up. Oh no, he's not TNZ. Ikaw ha? Grabe, gumawa ka pa talaga ng TikTok account. Kasi 2 followers tapos 1 pa... Grabe ka. Akala ko si Tian.
Pinaprank ka nila. Pinaprank.
Grabe! Ayun o, may nag-gift kasi. Like, Tianzi sent heart. Grabe.
Wait lang, ganito. Ganito ata.
Asa rin pala si Sauri, Ret? Asa ka na, be?
Ang nangyari dyan?
Wait lang ba? OTW.
Go, mama.
Tutorial paano po mag-roam graph. Gusto niyo ba makita yung roam graph ko?
Hi, BFF ko, Maikan! Happy birthday, Lux. Tianzi to. Nakigamit lang ng TikTok. Hi, best! Wisit! Hi, BFF ko, Maikan! I miss you so much. More than you know. Alam mo yan. Grabe, ang saya ko, guys. Guys, may mga question ba? Okay, eto na. I-rate na... Ay, hindi.
Ano?
While inaantay pa natin yung yung isa natin. May spill tayo. Okay, ay hindi. Wait lang. Parang kasi masyadong baya.